emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County in east central Ohio, western Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northeastern Harrison County in east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County, east central Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was near Delroy, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, tree damage. Plant damage. Locations impacted include Sharodsville, Mineral City, Leesville Lake Park, Delroy, Malvern, Carrollton, Kilgore, East Rochester, Augusta, Mechanicstown, Bergholz, Millport. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at @NewsPittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas.